Oh, they were hiding. There they go. All right, so these have been cleaned up and sliced. The main thing you want to do is wash out any of the dirt, any black spots you see. You can cut it off or just scrape it off, rinse it off, and now we're going to fry it up. Okay, so we're going to add some of this dressing. You can use Italian or Greek or whatever else you really want. Louisiana hot sauce and some Worcestershire. Okay, let's go ahead and get this going. So I'm going to add some of this cornmeal mix. I'm not going to use any flour, and see how this goes. There we go. Add whatever seasoning you'd like. I'm just going to do some salt since I've already got the hot sauce, Worcestershire, and the salad dressing. So now I'm going to take several pieces and I'm just going to drop them in here. Now fold the bag over, shake it. And that should have, there we go, you want it nice and coated, and the cornmeal flour works just fine as well. So I can tell the oil is definitely getting hot. You can see it starting to agitate a little bit inside of there, but I'm going to test it and see what it does. Okay. All right, that's getting close. I'm going to let go a little bit longer, then we'll put our first round in. All right. It's now good and hot. And we want that to be good and hot so it actually crisps up our battered oyster mushroom here. Go. I'm going to let that go for a good 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it. And I'll make sure both sides get cooked really well, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And really, depending on how hot your grease is, maybe a little more or less, but you want it to be golden brown when it's all said and done. Got my fire going pretty good still. Let me go ahead and dial it back. I'm going to want to maintain that heat, but so I'm not going to put it on low. It's on medium high right now. Time to flip it. It's been about 3 minutes. There we go. There's that golden brown we're looking for. Nice and crispy. Got my fire up pretty high still, high medium. You want it to be sizzling. All right, time to take them out. I'm using a fork. Of course, you could use a slotted scoop. Be a lot more efficient. So I'm gonna enjoy this with a little ketchup, and I just might try that tartar sauce idea. Ketchup. I didn't have tartar sauce, a little disappointed about that. But I did have ranch, so I thought, well, I'm gonna give that a shot. Ready to go with ketchup. Pretty good with ranch. I think it'd be killer with tartar sauce though. Y'all give it a shot if you get a chance.